Now question is a kite in the shape of a sphere. A kite in the shape of a sphere with a diagonal 32 centimeter. Diagonal of sphere 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base is 8 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades. How much of paper of each shade has been used in it? Now what is given in this question? Given is that a kite is made up of sphere and an isosceles triangle with a diagonal 32 centimeter. Diagonal of sphere is given 32 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter each and base is 8 centimeter of an isosceles triangle. Base of an isosceles triangle equal to 8 centimeter and equal sides of an isosceles triangle equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, these are the two equal sides of a triangle. Therefore, D equal to DF equal to 6 centimeter. Now, what is we have to find in this question? How much of paper of each shade has been used in it? Now, to find area of each shade of kite. Now to solving this question, we will use diagonal property of a sphere. We know that diagonals of sphere are equal, and it is given that diagonal of sphere is 32 centimeter. Therefore, we can write AC equal to BD equal to 32 centimeter. We know that diagonals of sphere are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree and bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other mean AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. Therefore, we can write BO equal to OD equal to half of BD. Half of BD is 32 centimeter. Therefore, BO equal to OD equal to 16 centimeter. Similarly, AO equal to OC equal to 16 centimeter. Bisect each other at 90 degree. At 90 degree means BO is perpendicular on AC and BO is perpendicular on AC. In the same way, AO is perpendicular on BD and CO is perpendicular on BD. At 90 degree means BO is perpendicular on AC and BO is perpendicular on AC. In it we have to use this diagonal in the form of perpendicular. Now in next part we will solve this question by finding area of each shade one by one. Firstly, we will find area of triangle ABC or area of shape 1. In step 1, we will find area of shade 1. Now in this given triangle, BO is perpendicular on AC. It means BO is height of triangle ABC. And we know that a triangle in which height is given, we can use half area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. Area of shade 1 or area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. Base is AC and we know that AC equal to 32 centimeter. Half into base is AC and height is BO. Equal to half, AC is 32 centimeter and BO is 16 centimeter. Therefore, area of shade 1 equal to 256 centimeter square. Similarly, we can find area of shade 2. In step 2, area of shade 2, which is again in triangle form, equal to half into base into height. Here base is of AC and AC is 32 centimeter and height is DO and DO is 16 centimeter. Therefore area of shade 2 equal to 256 centimeter square. Now in step 3, we will find area of triangle, isosceles triangle. In step 3, we have to find area of an isosceles triangle. Area of shade 3 equal to, now shade 3 is in triangle form where length of 3 sides are given. Now to find its area, we will use Heron's formula. In step 3, we have to find area of this triangle, area of shade 3. By using Heron's formula. Area of triangle equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now here A is of 6 centimeter, B is of 6 centimeter, and C is of 8 centimeter. And calculates its semi-perimeter. S means semi-perimeter. S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. A is 6, B is 6 and C is of 8 centimeter. Now 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. By 2, S equal to 10 centimeter. Now in next step we have to put value of S, A, B, C under this square root. Area of shade 3 equal to under root S, S minus C, S minus B, S minus C. Then it will become 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. Now we have to reduce 10 into lowest form. Fourth partner is already here. Therefore no need to make its prime factor. 2 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 2. Now make pair of same numbers. And bring out one number from each pair. Equal to 8 under root 5 centimeters square. Area of shade 3 is 8 under root 5 centimeters square. Area of shade 1 is 256 centimeters square. Area of shade 2 is 256 centimeters square. And area of shade 3 is 8 under root 5. 8 under root 5 centimeters square. Next question is a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. This floral design is made up of 16 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. And shape of each tile is triangle in shape. The sides of the triangle being 9, 28 and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tile. Find the cost of polishing the 16 tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Now in this question given is a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. It means total number of tiles here, total number of tiles are 16. Which are triangular in shape. The sides of the triangle, this is the zoom portion of this triangle. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Sides of one triangle are 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Now to find the cost of polishing the 16 tiles. We have to find cost of polishing the 16 tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So first of all, we have to find area of one tile by using Heron's formula. Area of one tile equal to under root s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c by using Heron's formula. Here A equal to 9 centimeter, B equal to 28 centimeter and C equal to 35 centimeter. So firstly, we have to calculate semi-perimeter. 9 plus 28 plus 35 divide by 2. Now add these numbers. Sum will equal to 72 divided by 2. Semi-perimeter is of 36 centimeter. Now in next step we have to put value of S, A, B, C under this square root. Area of one tile equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Next step, 36, 36 minus 9 equal to 27, 36 minus 28 equal to 8, 36 minus 35 equal to 1. Now the prime factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factors of 27. Are 3 into 3 into 3 and 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Now make pair of same numbers and bring out one number from each pair. The number will become 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 under root 6. Now multiply this number. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36 under root 6 centimeter square. And this is the area of one tile. But we have to find area of 16 tiles. Now area of one tile equal to 36 under root 6 centimeter square. Area of 16 tiles equal to 36 under root 6 into 16. Now multiply these two numbers. Product will equal to 576 under root 6 centimeter square. Now next step, find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Cost of 1 centimeter square for polishing the tiles is given. Cost of 1 centimeter square equal to 50 paise. It is given. Now convert paise into rupees. 50 by 100 rupees. Now Now cost of 1 centimeter square equal to 50 by 100 rupees. We have to find cost of 16 tiles for polishing the tiles. Therefore cost of 576 under root 6 centimeter square equal to 50 by 100 into 576 under root 6. Now cost of 576 under root 6 centimeter square equal to 288 root 6 rupees. Put value of root 6. Square root of root 6 is 2.45. It is approximate square root of 6. It is the approximate value of square root 6. Now multiply 288 with 2.45. Now after multiplication, product will equal to 705.60 rupees. Hence, cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise for 16 tiles equal to rupees 705.60. Hence, cost of polishing the 16 tiles equal to rupees 705.60.